What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for PayPal Holdings with the ticker symbol PYPL. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So you see that PayPal did continue to drop down lower. Last time I looked at this was on the 24th, was right about here when price was trading right around the high 50s, and then it traveled all the way down to the mid 50s, or almost to the mid 50s. So that's the lower side of the range, which has been acting as strong support dating back to August of 2023. How do I know it's strong support? We can see price bounced here, 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 here. So this is telling me that the bulls are defending this level, and we could see a bounce off of it, especially because we had a measure move down. So we had one leg down right here. This was the second leg down. Price reached the target at strong support. There's a huge opportunity for price to rally off of this level, maybe back up to the $68 level. Is it guaranteed? No. Why? Because we already had a breakout right here, and price failed to continue moving up higher, and we're still below the EMA, and we're still below this downward trend line right here. So a lot of bearish momentum is still in play towards the downside. This is just this could just be a temporary stalling point for the sellers. Just like over here, we came to the same price level right over here, and price consolidated, and then it had a breakdown lower. So it's not guaranteed that price stalls out right here. We could see a breakdown lower, and then maybe a reversal, or a breakdown lower and then a failed reversal for more downside. So as right now, we'll see what happens. We are at support, so that could lead to a few situations playing out. The first one being that we do see a bounce off of this level, and we continue to move up higher, playing the range rules from highs to the lows, lows to the highs, something like that. The next situation is that we do break down lower, and then we have a quick reversal back up, a V bottom, similar to what we did exactly right over here. And the next situation is that we just break down lower, price fails to re-enter the range, and then we just continue to trend down lower. So as of right now, PayPal, which one is more likely to occur? Well, the most likely situation is we do see a breakdown lower. Why? Because we haven't seen a bounce off of this level yet, and the longer we don't bounce off the level, the less that situation has a probability of occurring. Because why? Well, you don't want to see price hanging around the level. You want to see it immediately reject, like right over here, rejection, rejection. You want to see it quickly get off that level. So there's a good chance that we can see a breakdown of PayPal back to the 55, possibly even lower, and we'll see what happens from there. But it is as support, so don't think that's guaranteed. We can easily just push up higher. So traders are just waiting and seeing. So we'll see what happens. That's all I have for the daily charts. Take a look at the weekly chart. Not much to say elsewise. You can see that price is still just trading sideways for the most part. Has room to the downside if it does want to break down lower. It's a good sign the price did break this long-term trend line, which is good for the long term, but then price can just be still below this trend line right here. Still has some bearish bias to the chart because we just came off of a bear market. We're just consolidating, and we'll see what happens. If price can get back above the $68 level, I think that's really bullish for PayPal. Long term, if we can get back above it and stay above it, something like this, get back above it, stay above it, there's a very high likelihood it'll just continue to trend up higher. Until then, this is going to be, sideways trading, possibly even a breakdown lower. So all I have for PayPal on the daily and weekly charts. Most likely, I'll give you guys an update next week, Monday or Tuesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.